Yeah, that shit don't even matter. Hmm. Yeah, that does look like a. Man, but I doubt it though. Doubt it. Doubt it. Mm. Hey, yo, what's up, Investor Z? Mm. I mean, you gotta respect it. It's the new high and low. Mm. Not gonna lie, that's a bit risky. I don't really want to take a trade like that. Mm. Well, damn. Oh. Mm. Mm. Man, the trade was right there too, man. I could have took that shit. Damn it. I could have took it. I could have taken that. I could have taken it. Man, I ain't trust this range right here, man. I didn't trust it. I did not trust it, and that thing worked. I guess I didn't trust that it was going to continue to go higher, but mm, okay. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get a pullback. And let's see if we can get a bounce at this little area right here. Let's see. But the market does look like it wants to turn over now. It does look super bearish now. Oh shit, that might have been it right there. It might have been it. Yeah, okay. All right. I might have missed it looking for a deeper pullback there. Yeah, I might have missed it. Yeah, I missed it. Okay. All right. Okay, I missed it. 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 All right. That's why I have that rule that I have to take every trade. Because the feeling of regret sucks. Feeling of regret sucks, missing an opportunity when it was right there in my face. Let's see. So a 90 tick target would be right there. And I mean, we all know that's just going to get hit. So 90 ticks right there. Okay. Well. Interesting. So I guess if it breaks this, I mean, if it breaks that range, I guess I could turn around and trade it short. Maybe. Or maybe it's trying to fill those orders. Maybe we see a pop here. Maybe we see a pop right there. I'm not going to get aggressive with this. Every time I get aggressive, that shit always comes back against me. And I guess when I don't, it doesn't. So I guess in both situations, I won't be able to capitalize on the trade. mean, I. Yep, target almost filled. All right, target filled. That's why I'm just gonna follow my rules moving forward. That would have been a winning trade right there. A winning trade. All right. That's usually what comes after missing a trade that fits your model. Regret, and then after regret, you try to revenge trade to try to get what you lost for not taking the trade. Yeah, this trending, and all you gotta do is just every time it takes out a new high, just trade it. All right, so from my entry, if I took it, I mean I already would have taken profit, but so far the market has traded 150 ticks from my entry right there. Probably right there. Okay. Doesn't mean I like you or not. Hey, what's up, Santiago? Yeah, I just missed the 50 trade just now. Kind of kicking myself in the butt for that. I missed a powerful 50 trade just now. Or I didn't miss it. I just didn't take it. And I ain't take it. Oh, y'all said NQ is messing with y'all? What did NQ just do just now? Dang, look at that drop. Damn. Yeah. Don't think, execute. Yeah. Yeah, I feel regret, man. You know, the crazy thing is that I took it I opened up the position last night. But for whatever reason, I hesitated right now. So I guess we have in less than 24 hours, I have 2 examples of trades that met my entry model. One I didn't hesitate on, and the other one I did. And the one I got rewarded, and the other one, now, I'm sitting in regret right now. I regret not taking that trade. And I hate that. Like, I hate this feeling. It's so it's disempowering. And what I'm feeling right now is if I get another opportunity, I'm gonna take it, and it may be the wrong opportunity. I might try to force a trade because of it to try to get back what I quote unquote just lost just now. All right, so I mean, if we can get a pullback back into that break, that would be great, but I doubt it. Yeah. Yeah, shit. Silver is going to 100, man. This thing is going to 100. This thing took out structure from last night, and it's going to 100. That's the Bulls' current market objective. I'm pretty sure we're going to start short of 100. I don't think we go all the way to 100 today. But that's definitely where the Bulls want to go. They were going to, yeah. With Iran, right, man? Greenland, Iran, and NATO. Yeah, I know. That is. Alfred said he should have stayed in silver instead of messing around with NQ. Well, oh yeah, you said you had to build your account up. Where were you targeting, Alfred? Were you in? Did you open up a long position? And then you got caught in the short or something? Damn. So God damn it, silver. Come on. Come on. You don't have to act like that. I'm not gonna get aggressive at these highs, man. I'm not gonna get aggressive. Come on, baby. Pull back for your boy. I guess I can look at gold in the meantime. Yeah. Okay. Man, gold just broke structure to the upside. Oh shit, did I miss a? I think I just missed a gold. Damn, I just missed a gold play. Damn, I just missed a gold play. I just missed a gold play. No. I just missed a gold play. That's why I try to get my gold trades out the way of the stream, because I'll be so focused on silver that I'm not even gonna be paying attention to gold. Mm. So you're just gonna get a new account? Mm. I may have an opportunity to take this trade on gold. I mean, if gold pulls back enough, then I wouldn't mind taking the pullback trade here on gold either. Okay. Given the opportunity, if it doesn't pull back enough, doesn't pull back. Because that does look like a. All right, so let's see. So these pullback trades that's up in these premium areas, or what we consider premium areas, these are definitely tough trades to take, but you know, the market is super bullish right now. I guess all I got to do is just trade with the direction of the trend as best as possible. And I mean, with this big move up like this, we got price clearly taking out those highs and a pullback into the origin. I'm pretty sure it'll work out. Sure it'll work out. All right. Here it comes. All right, we got 5 minutes until the 9 o'clock algo. Let's see what side she chooses. It said it hit your favorite fib. And you're referring to, you said the 75%. Should have double topped at the 50% of the range. So, I mean, I guess we could see I guess we could. So they're fighting it out on the NQ right now. Seems like everybody's trying to fight for their life right now. I'm fighting for my life right now. All right, I don't think we have any news in the next 3 minutes. Oh yeah, we do. We have consumer sentiment in the next 3 minutes. News. Or let me make sure. Yeah. Let me make sure. I could be looking at the wrong calendar. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong calendar. Disregard my statement. We're looking at new home sales. New home sales is coming up in 3 minutes. Yeah, it definitely is, man. I wish she lets me. It would be nice if she lets me back. She lets me in this. I mean, I guess I was given an opportunity to get in. I just didn't take it. I just didn't open in a position. You say your son caught that trade? Yo, congratulations, man. Hey, yo, Alfred, you good, man? You good, Alfred? I mean, I've already seen how devastating payout fever is, man. That's why these firms don't. Nah, shit. Yeah, that shit can be devastating, man. I think I'm just now coming down after completely destroying my accounts. You know, one of the most discouraging things, and one of the most discouraging things is when you come into the market with a plan. You plan how you want to trade an account, what instrument you want to use, and how you're going to use it. And every time you try to be as strategic as possible. Well, not every time, but in those moments when you want to be strategic as possible, and the market just completely invalidates your whole thesis, your whole plan, and you think to yourself, "Damn, I made more money gambling than taking a strategic position." At least it can feel that way, right? I know that's how I felt when I tried to just, trade one strategy. And during those moments where the market just ran to my stop and I get into an eval or something, and then it hits my entry perfectly and runs to my target, without a plan. I'm just well, not necessarily gambling, but I'm just trading at structure, not really thinking about it. Didn't plan for it, just took the opportunity when it presented itself. And those are the opportunities that super work. He was green trading silver, but red trading NQ. Yeah, what's up, J Stores? You know what, J Stores? Usually on these news days is when the market just, the price action is abnormal. You just kind of have to go with the flow with it. Usually these are my worst days too, and I'm in the same boat. I tell myself that I should take these types of days off, but I have to get over it. I have to get over days like these. Hold on, let me make sure. Okay, my goal play is we'll see what happens. Yeah, when the market is just euphoric or being irrational, the price action can be crazy. Are you talking about the NQ or are you talking about like which instrument are you talking about? All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. Of course. All right, let's see. You said where's my 50? Hold on. I'll show it to you. Let's see if this this tray works out. Of course. Come on, Silver. See, it's always the trades that you take. Well, it's not always like that, but you see how I traded at the top of the damn man. Man. All right. All right. Always the trades that you freaking take. That's the ones that don't freaking work, man. Man, come on, dude. All right. Honestly, I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know how much. Man. No, 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 no. I'm not even in. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. No. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God. took the stupid trade in gold. I thought I was in silver. Why? I thought I was in silver. Yeah. Oh my God. No. No. Silver, come back. No, please. No. Oh my God. No. Oh my God, dude. All right. Okay, dude. All right, man. Ugh. Took that stupid trade in gold. Ugh. Damn it. All right. All right. Let me see if I can. Let me see if silver will be nice to me here, man, and realize that I made a mistake. I don't think she's coming back. I don't think she's gonna come back that far. Hey, that's too far back. I don't think she's gonna come. Well, wow. Talk about self-sabotage, dude. That is freaking crazy, man. That is crazy. That's crazy. Ugh. How can I do something like that? Okay. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. All right. I was talking. So everybody said that the NQ dropped just now. Damn. Yo, there you go. If you took that 50, well, it really depends. You had to really be patient for her. Well, I guess you really have to wait for the breaker structure first and then the pullback. I keep forgetting about the breaker structure aspect of that strategy. You got to wait for the breaker structure. You got your 50. It didn't necessarily break structure. It did chop. All right, it broke structure here. It came back and then you got your move. I got to remember the breaker structure. I have to remember the breaker structure. Cuz that's where I keep yeah. Okay. Silver. All right. Hmm. All right. All right. Hmm. All right, man. Okay. All right. I think I just want it too bad. I just want it too bad, I guess. I guess, man. All right, man. That oh my god, bro. Man, that fucking hurts, man. Damn. Damn. All right, man. Well, I got paid on, or actually, I'm not done with the gold yet, I guess. Man, I can't believe that shit, man. Can't believe that. Can't believe. Damn. All right, let's see if we can find another opportunity then. That opportunity's played out. Yeah. Man, damn, that sucks. Damn, that sucks. Well, let me look at gold real quick. Let me make sure I'm not running into nothing. I mean, I don't think I am. But it seems like it's having a hard time pushing higher. Like it's trying to double top here a little bit. I mean, that should be good. Okay, well. So gold, you gonna crap out on me right now, or what? You gonna crap out on me? I guess so. Guess so. You know, I wonder what area of supply this thing ran into. I wonder what area of supply I ran into. I mean, I understand that it's in an area of supply, but for it to just dump like that. Okay. Let me look to the left, I guess. Since. It just seems like, dude, this shit came all the way back to my break even, man. All right. Oh well, man. You know. Yeah. This thing traveled all the way back to my break even. It touched whatever area of supply that's right here. Man, I guess, but. All right, so it looks like the Bulls are done. All right. All right, man. All right. All right. Looks like I got probably stopped out of gold too. Like, dude, what the fuck, dude? Like, seriously. Ah, man. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me just hold on. Let me walk away. Yeah. You say you wouldn't touch this? I'm just. It could have hit my target first game weight. I mean that. But I guess that's my fault. I guess it's my fault. I knew what I should have done. It hit my 90 tick target. I was trying to be cute. So that's kind of why I'm kind of a little bit upset with myself. Don't know why I just keep doing stupid shit like that. Trying to be cute, trying to get a little extra money. Because it hit the 90 tick target. And then I lost $285 for no reason. Because my entry was 25 or something. Alright, this is not. Yeah, hit my fucking target before it dropped. Because my entry was like 26 or something. 25.6 or something shit like that. Basically catching the bottom of the move. 25.9 maybe, I don't know. One of them. Hit my 90 tick target and then it just dumped. I don't shit. I'm still looking at the damn thing. It's like this type of shit only works when you're long. But if you tried shorting this shit, this thing would have went up 10 extra points and before going down short. Man. Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, shit. I kind of wanted silver to go back the way it was traded before, man. It was easy money. Now it's like, God, I gotta actually think about where I get in and out at. Just fucking up the payouts, man. Fucking the payouts out because that was a man. All right, man. Man, that just sucks, man. Just fucking sucks. Sucks. I took an unnecessary loss today because I wanted to be cute. Ugh. Ah. I guess I wanted to be a little bad bitch today, and now freaking. Mm, mm, okay. Nah, Santiago, it missed my target completely. It missed my target. I mean, shit, we damn near had a perfect entry at the bottom. Actually, I mean, shit, I was only in drawdown a couple of ticks. It just missed my target, and then it just crashed. I didn't expect for it to just super crash out like that. I mean, I guess I should have, but I mean, you just don't really think that it would. Yeah, it just missed my target. But I know how I'm gonna move forward next time because, like I said, I took an unnecessary loss and I don't like it. I'll just, yeah, I don't like it. I mean, the crazy thing is like, I mean, what's frustrating about that is, I mean, any other time that shit's going, you know, I mean, it was literally, I mean, from my entry, it only moved 94, 95 ticks. It usually moves more than that, and I'm like, because what I'm trying to do is, you know, I'm really getting in that supply and demand, and I'm only taking 90 ticks, but the market will go like 15, 20. So what I was trying to do was trying to reduce the amount of contracts I trade, and then so I can just participate in the bigger move. But this situation right here has definitely discouraged that idea. I'm just going to look for 90 ticks in my funded accounts, and I'll play that game in evals or something like that. But 90 ticks, that's it. 90 ticks. I'm not playing that stupid game because that would have been on. Yeah. Mm. All right, let's see if the market is going to retest this area right here and give me what I'm looking for. I guess I'll just be crying on the treadmill today. The treadmill is made for crying, and that's just what I'll do. Take it. You said 88.24. Mm. Hopefully it goes up higher and fills the order first. I mean, I would have been done in this account, man. Dude, I don't know, man. Like when stuff like that happens, I don't know, man. That is crazy. That's absolute craziness. I thought I was on silver, but I was on micro gold with one contract. It just seemed like, man, I don't, dude. Am I doing that to myself? Am I doing these things to myself? Mm. So you took that short? Man, shit, that's true. Gain weight. Hey, Silver, come on, baby. Baby, please. Just be nice to me here. I haven't had the best session today. Don't do that. Baby. Baby, please. Before you do that, you see that limit that you almost touched right there? Go ahead, go back up there and touch that limit real quick. Before you start trying to dump and shit. Yeah. I don't think I execute. Yeah. See, all you gotta do is talk nice to Silver. There you go, baby. There you go. After you feel that limit, then drop. I mean, honest. Oh shit, that's fine. That's fine. Mm. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if this thing drops and takes out this low, if it takes this low out, then it invalidates this trade. I mean, I can't even take this trade. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's probably a good idea, Santiago. The only people that are in the market right now, or the ones that are still locked in, are the ones that lost money on that stupid drop. Gold. I trusted you. I trusted you. And this is how you do me? Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot. I lost money on that micro gold play too. Yeah. All right. I mean, as long as it doesn't take out that low, the trade is still invalid. If it takes that low, I'll have to pull the order. We have to find a new business, a new opportunity to make money. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's look at NQ real quick. Let's look at NQ. Yeah. Man, I'm just so tired of the foolishness. The foolishness. The foolishness. ES. Oh wow, the ES bounced, but the Nasdaq didn't. Or maybe it's just lagging probably, as always. Let's see. Let's see if the ES gave you an opportunity to trade the 50. Shit, the meta used to be the range breakout. Now the meta is the range to 50% of the damn opening range. That's the meta now. But ES didn't give you an opportunity for that. All right, don't be nasty to me. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Nice. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Like just like foolishness like this. Silver did it. Okay. Nice. All right. All right. And that's what I was looking for with gold. And gold just couldn't do that for me. All right, man. Whatever. What the fuck ever, dude. God damn. Ugh. $29, $215. I mean, that can't be it. That means it's already. You see what I'm talking about? This time, it traded right through the breaker structure. It traded right through it when I was in short. But if the roles were reversed and I was in long, they would have freaking dumped that damn thing. My God, dude. All right. Hmm. You said 88,920? 88,920? Hmm. Oh shit. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Oh shit. I didn't know I made that much. No, I think. Hold on. Let me make sure. Okay. I mean, I guess that's. Okay. Okay. I'll accept that, I guess. I'll accept. Mm. Good thing I saw that at the last minute. I mean, I'll take it. I mean, a win's a win, I guess. I'll take it. But this would have been my entry. My stop would be. Right there. Let's see how far this thing goes. All right, so that would have been my entry. Let's see how far it goes. And yeah, I appreciate that, Joan. Appreciate that. Oh, you say you locked out for today? You trading Top Step? Man, I lost money in 300 accounts today and only made money in one. It would have been 2 and 2. I should have. I don't know what it is about why I just refuse to act in the moment. If I saw that my target of 90 ticks got hit. I should have just moved my stop up, but I know what I need to do for next time. That's not gonna happen again. I'm just gonna just stick to my 90 tick target and just stop trying to think about it and try to be cute about it. He said, unfortunately. I mean, like I said, if another platform offered the risk settings, then maybe. I'm just waiting for NinjaTrader 8 to drop the risk settings instead of just having people make third-party tools for it. All right, so oh shit. Hmm. 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 I mean, they already double tapped that though, you know? They double tapped it already, so I doubt that they triple tap it. I mean, they already took this range right here and sold it at the 50. So they double tapped this range. They double tapped this range. So I mean, I don't think these ranges are valuable anymore. Well, my rule is if a range has already been mitigated, I don't even take the trade. I mean, I don't take the trade. Okay. Well, it looks like my trade only got to 65 ticks, which is not bad or actually not 65. 64 ticks on silver, which is not bad, I guess. But it's not my 90 tick target, so. All right, I would have been up 64 ticks on this one, and it would have came back to my break even, and it's trying to violate my stop right there. So. He said take that all day. Yeah. I mean on silver, yeah, 65 ticks is not bad, man. And yeah, I'm sorry to see that Alfred. Are you using your real account too, Santiago? Yeah. I know the feeling, man. It just sucks, man. It just payout fever is a real disease that. And this is why these prop firms, they know this. They got the data. They see how many times people blow the accounts before and after a payout. They see it. And they see it. They know. And if they know, we should know too. Honestly, I really don't know because it's not a mental thing. Payout fever is not a mental thing. It's emotional. At least for me, it feels like I'm in constant anticipation. Yeah, like dude, yeah. And I like, dude, I feel like I'm taking the same trade that I normally would. And whenever you need that trade to work out the most, it just something's always going. This is why like news days are not my best days. I don't know why. I don't like the idea of that. I don't like it. I don't like the idea that there are days where I should just be on the sidelines because history just shows that these are not my best days. It's very interesting that these are not my best days because in real life, I had to learn how to acknowledge and be able to work with the emotions of others, to recognize that, you know, people live in their own worlds. They have their own thing going on. And at any point in time, you just don't know what they're going through emotionally. And that took me a very long time to kind of understand. And I'm not going to sit here and say I'm perfect at it. But I say that because in the markets where the news is very emotional, I guess, or people become emotional with news, fear, greed, the market just moves erratically, and I don't get it, man. I don't get it. Like the market, I mean, it's seeing this right here. So if I had my entry right here at 340 and price bounced at 360, that would suck. But I'm thinking about potentially, if I see a, okay, never mind. Like I said, I don't think they reverse here. We might get a rejection, but I don't think they reverse it. You know what, man? Okay. I'm going to take the chance on that position right there. I don't think the market reverses. I don't think it does. This area has already been mitigated. The market is already broken down. Shit. I'm really good at grabbing these things when I don't want to. Anyway, I mean, it already broke structure. The bears came back. I don't think so. I don't think the bulls. I don't think the bears are in control anymore. Hmm. I don't even want to waste my time on gold like that. I wonder what I was looking at earlier then. Oh shit, I didn't even see that. Yeah, I just missed that. Okay. All right, let's see. Like I said, I don't think the Bears are in control here. I do see a bunch of liquidity at this area on Bookmap. This leg was the leg that broke structure, so let's see if once we get this order filled, they're gonna want to, you know, get a retest at a high or something. We'll see. Oh, of course. Don't touch the target or nothing. Don't feel me. Okay. You want to know the irony? So if this trade doesn't work out, the irony would be this is where I moved my stop from. Or this would have been my entry right here if I didn't move my my entry higher. So that would be bittersweet. Okay. All right, let's keep it. Okay, let's see. But like I said, I don't think the bears are in control, but it doesn't mean that the market can't pull back or nothing further for more liquidity. I do see the bears trying to sell it on Bookmap though. The bears are trying to come in, but we got a pool of liquidity sitting at 89 that the market wants to probably tap into. I think that's a bear trap. Let's see. Let's see. I think that looks like a bear trap, at least right now, but we'll see. But I probably. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. I would have been done if this was a silver play. I would have been done. And it wouldn't have stopped me out. Of course. Yeah. Yeah. Shit, that's all we can do, right, Alfred? Just keep on jabbing. I mean, it hurts. It sucks. It sucks, man. And then what sucks about it is that we keep falling into the same trap. Keep falling into the same trap. That's why this year, or at least for the right now, my main focus is emotional management. One of the things that I'm glad that I did today was walk away from the chart. I mean, I was locked out. Now, if that was anything other than a or a Project X account, I probably would have kept trading. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all guys, but just you know, stepping away from the charts and locking out, or the system did it, but just walking away, taking a breath, taking a breather. I'm glad that I did that. That's something that I want to just start doing. Just not allowing my emotions to not being a slave to my emotions. Being a slave to overthinking, inaction, fear, greed, hope. Right now, I'm just going to keep that shit P. It's either the only thing I need to focus on is my entries, and everything else, I don't move my stop. I don't move my target. I'm not going to be cute with my target. They're trying to make a little bit more money. I'm going to keep this shit P. And just follow the rules. Yeah. Hold on, Investor Z, are you saying blown accounts, or are you saying that you blown an account? I don't think you're saying you're agreeing. I didn't take a loss in this account, right? No, I didn't. I didn't take a loss in this account. Okay. Greed wants me to go for 90 ticks instead of following my rules here. Okay, well, all right. Okay. All right. No, I mean, I made the money I'm supposed to make, so I'm not gonna say it. Okay. All right, man. I'm done. I mean, I guess I could. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Should have taken the 90 ticks. Why? No. I should have done the 90 ticks. No. But no, I gotta stop doing that. I have a consistency rule. Like, dude, just relax. You got a consistency rule. You gotta adhere to consistency. I'm just glad that I made money in my funded account today, and at least 2 of my funded accounts. I'm glad, and I was able to do that with silver, gold, bitch, gold, being nasty to me, stopping me out. Yeah, I don't think this thing works, man. I'll wait for the breakout and trade the pullback. Yeah, I'll wait for the breakout of that area and just trade the pullback. Okay. Well, I mean, we do have enough time for one more trade. Let's see. Do have enough time for one more trade. I blew that account. Oh yeah, I forgot. I made a mistake. Shit, I forgot in that account. I made a mistake. I thought I was trading micro silver, and then I fucked around and found out that I was on the minis. I was like, how the hell did I blow the account? And I was like, oh shit, I was on the micro. I was on the minis. Yeah. That'll do it. That'll do it every time. All right, so we do got a breakout here, so I'm just gonna trade the retest of that area if we get it. We get it. Just gonna keep this shit P like I'm supposed to, man. Keep it P, man. That's it. I'm gonna leave being cute to the bad bitches, man. I'm just keep this shit P, man. You said NQ has ruined your level of patience. Yeah, Santiago. Yeah, so I kind of figured it was gonna run that because the market already mitigated this area twice. So there is no way that well, it was highly unlikely for the market to short in this area. It's highly unlikely. That's why I was like, nah, let me just wait for the long. I only said it twice. I only said it twice, but okay. I'll keep I'll keep keeping it P to a minimum then. keeping it P to a minimum. Nah. I didn't say that shit another time. I might give you like 3 or 4 maybe. All right. Yeah, we got. I mean, if this thing hits before we run out of time for this session, then I mean, we'll take the trade. But man, you know, this is a tough one. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. This is definitely going to be a tough one. Either this thing is going to work or it's not. I mean, there's really no in between that. Either it works or it's not. Because technically we are leaving an area and then it hit the 50 perfectly, man. It hit the 50 perfectly. But we'll see. Okay, so are we tapped in yet? Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Dude, it touched the limit too. It didn't fill it. It tapped it, but it didn't fill it. Yeah, it did tap. Yeah, it didn't fill. Well, I guess if it didn't fill me, it'll probably come back and try to fill the rest of the orders too. Or at least that's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping here. You said Newsday? Yeah, I think we had CPI today, Tony. Well, I think we did have CPI today. All right, we'll see. We'll see. And this is an eval, so I don't necessarily need to be. I can go for 90 ticks here. This is an eval. All right, so I had a feeling that was going to happen. Yeah, boy. You know, Alfred, I was watching this video. For some reason, the YouTube thinks that I'm into spirituality or something. I'm not going to sit here and say that at one point in time, I didn't consume that content, but I mean, that's no longer something that I watched. I'll sit and watch at this point, because now it's just go find a tree and hug it now, instead of, you know, real spiritual awakening and stuff like that now. It's like, yeah, just only eat fruits and vegetables and hug your local tree. But one of the things that that was said, which, you know, I find interesting, is if you're not ready for the next level, you're not going to allow yourself to go to the next level. And what I took from that is, if you're not ready for constant payouts every week, like subconsciously, like if the idea of getting 10K a week frightens you, then that means that you're not ready for it. And because subconsciously you're not ready for it, you're going to self-sabotage every time. And I found that to be true for myself as well. The idea of making 10K a week, as an example, was a shock to the system. Definitely was a shock to the system, for real. So no wonder why every time, you know, I see a level of success, I would self-sabotage back into my comfort zone. I guess the best way of overcoming that, I mean, I would assume the best way to overcome it would be to really sit down and write out what you would do with the money. Like, why having that much money per week, how it will change your life, what are the things that it will enable you to do. Because it's really your subconscious mind, man. I mean, that's the one thing that everybody has to overcome, is their subconscious mind, which is their body. Your body is subconscious. And we need to gain mastery over it. Or we're just going to continue to do the same habits. We're going to continue to do the same things over and over and over and over again. You know, honestly, like as a small example, and I don't change it because it's not really a big deal. So, but it's so small that I recognize it, and I just use it to remind me of like the power of your subconscious mind. Like, I go to the gym every day at around like 5:30 in the morning. If I wake up before 5:30, like let's say I wake up at 4:30 or something like that, and I have an opportunity to go to the gym earlier than 5:30, then what I find myself doing is procrastinating until the last minute. Just finding things to do that doesn't necessarily need my attention to pass the time. And then just like an alarm, it's like, oh, it's 5:30. And then I'm ready to go at 5:30, no matter how earlier that I can go. And I constantly see myself doing that. And I'm like, wow. If I want to start going to the gym before 5:30, I would have to break that habit and just start doing it to form a new one. Yeah. Evals equal full port. And yeah, I definitely agree with that, Albert. There's definitely stuff that we just have to work on before we can get to that level of success. Because I guess if you really think about it, if you get to that level of success and you're not, and I'm saying you, but I'm just speaking generally here. If you get to an area, if a person gets to a level of success that they're not ready for, or they just can't handle, then I guess what's the point of you even getting there? You're just going to destroy it as soon as you get there. You're going to step into the room, see that it's uncomfortable for you, and then you're just destroy it. Or I guess a better analogy is if you go into an empty room, over time you'll fill it with things that make you feel comfortable. And that's what failure and success does, right? If success makes you feel uncomfortable, you'll destroy it. And just like the phoenix that rises from the ashes, you'll be ready to come back and put in the work that got you there in the first place, which is like the weirdest thing in the world, right? Okay. Okay. All right. So I guess this was the trade right here. Yeah, I guess I should have took this trade instead of being. I mean, dude, man, I just got done talking about being cute, but I guess I was trying to outsmart the market here. I was trying to outsmart the market, and the market outsmarted me. Okay. Because if I got into that entry, I just would have got my target hit right there. Man, okay. All right. Okay. 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 All right. So my rule. If I see a 50, I'm just going to take it. Damn, look at that. Damn, look at that. I had the opportunity to take it. No. It's my fault, but damn, look at that, dude. We had the level perfectly on the chart. No, no, no. Man. He said hit your 25 and dump. It hit my 50 and dump. I literally had the level. I had the shit. I had the formula right there, dude. It was right there. Right there. Damn it. Look at that drop, dude. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, it would have. Yep. No, I don't. I just like to be cute. Instead of keeping it P. You gotta leave being cute to the bad bitches. I'm just supposed to just keep it P. Oh my god. Silver was like, oh, okay. Well, I mean, Dude, yo, somebody asked, well, they didn't ask me specifically. I just answered the question. Yesterday in the indices chat on Top Step, over there on Top Step, someone asked this question. They asked, is psychology the reason why traders lose trades? And I respond with a absolutely yes. Yes. And boy, was it just in display just now. Just in display. My assumption was that the market was going to break out here and that there's no way. And you know, honestly, what got me was I thought that this area right here was already mitigated. That's why I kind of overlooked this one, because I was like, they already mitigated. They mitigated this one. It dropped. It pulls back. It drops, and then it pops back up. So I thought, well, it's doing all that. Maybe it wants to go higher. But no, it goes right back to the 50%. It bounces off of this 50%. So if I was in this trade, I would have been like, well, I mean, y'all guys know I would have stubbornly held it, but it would have bounced off of this 50. And then the crazy thing is look at what it did after that. It bounced off of this 50, and then it just used this 50 right here. So if I got in right there at the break, I still would have, I mean, shit, this 50 right here would have been the money right here. All the money would have been right here. Oh. The baddies. Well, okay. Here's what I'll do, man. Here's what I'll do. Watch it not work now, though. I mean, you know how that shit go. You know how this shit gonna go, man. Watch it not work. Watch it not work. But I'll get this thing about like 1 minute. We'll see what happens in the next minute or so. Ah, you know what? I just saw something. Ah, it bounced. Oh, man. Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. It bounced from that. It bounced from this area right here. I don't know if this is a. We'll see. We'll see. Before Monty Darkside came to the throne, he searched the universe for the ultimate weapon. The anti-life equation, the key to controlling all life and all will across the multiverse. He found it. The story of the Defiance is well known. I have found the primitive planet, the world that fought. It is Earth. I have seen it. I have looked with my own eyes. Yeah, I can only get this in like 2 more minutes and then I gotta be done. Well, I mean, Santiago. I think like the main point of this is I don't think they'll change it because it requires patience. It requires patience. It kills me waiting for these things, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. It kills me to wait for these damn things. But I know that once price gets to it, I know two things. I know eventually it'll get there, and when it does get there, I have at least a 50% chance that it's going to work. So those are what I do know. But that's kind of why I was trying to look for, another strategy that would have me more active, because I feel like I'm just being so passive, and I hate that feeling of being passive, man. I hate that shit. I want to be an aggressive trader, but market tends to humble aggressive traders for whatever reason. So okay. That's actually pretty good, man. I did see another trader say the same thing, that they don't look at the charts all day. They just set alerts on their phone. And I started doing that, but then I found myself anticipating the alert. And I'm not saying that to discourage anybody. I'm just sharing my experience. That's kind of why I stopped doing it. So I was anticipating. I was looking at my phone. Did I get the alert? Did I get the alert? Did I get the alert? Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm completely out of time for this session. I can't go any further. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna start practicing that. I'm definitely gonna start practicing that. I'm gonna just start executing and see what happens, because I've already found my instrument, silver. As long as silver moves like that, this is what I'll trade. So all that I got a strategy. Honestly, all my energy should just be focused on just implementing that strategy and executing whenever I see it, and just letting the trade play out. I mean, I missed a great play right here trying to be cute. Missed a great play, man. Double top rejection. I mean, shit, even if I open a position here at this one, it's like, I mean, it wouldn't have hit my 90-point target, but it would have hit my 72-point target. So I mean, we'll see, man. Dude, I think this thing's I think they're gonna run this. I mean, they did break structure here, maybe, but I think they're gonna run it. But all right, guys, I do appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on